Accessories display. Switching the current output range. The instrument offers two current output gears, 500A and 1000A. You can choose the appropriate range based on your test requirements. Remove the terminal plate to change the current range. Connect the two middle terminals, and then press the red button. The maximum output current is now 500 amps. Instrument wiring. First, ground the tester. The red current cable connects to P1. Black current cable connects to P2. The test cables connect to 1S1, 1S2, and 2S1, 2S2. Connect the power cable. CT wiring. Connect cables to the CT. Instrument operation. Turn on the power. Power on the instrument. Select CT-TTR test. Setting parameters. Start testing. View the test results. Print the data. View records. USB port for report and update. Power off and disconnect wiring. Turn off. Remove the power cable. Remove output cables and test cables. Finally, remove the ground cable.